Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to My Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen. Quality maintenance is one of the 8 pillars of total productive maintenance. Basically, in the quality maintenance, we look for any concerns in current quality problems or defect, and then we try to address those concerns. It is also an approach from reactive to proactive, which can be also said as moving from the concern of quality control to quality assurance. Quality maintenance is basically targeted at improving the final quality of the machines and also improving the quality of the process. Let's look at some of the targets of quality maintenance. Basically, by quality maintenance, we are trying to achieve reduction in the cost of quality by 50%. We know there are two types of cost of quality, cost of good quality and cost of bad quality. We'll discuss that in detail in the next lectures. Another target is to try to achieve the 0% customer complaints. That is, there should not be any customer complaint. Also, we try to reduce the in-process defects by 50%. That means we try to reduce the quality issues generally happening at the middle of the process by 50%. To achieve these targets, we need certain policies or guidelines. So let's study the policies of quality maintenance. These are: we focus on defect prevention systems right at the source. We must have heard about Pokayoke or mistake proofing devices or sensors. This helps to detect the defects right at the source. I will talk about mistake proofing later in this course, but just for your understanding, Pokayoke is any device that is basically used to prevent the defect from occurring, or to facilitate the detection of the error, or to help in detection of the defect or error. Also, another policy to improve the quality maintenance is strengthening the quality assurance and total quality management system. We generally organize various quality maintenance and improvement activities, devise scopes and specifications, and strictly try to run according to the specifications to strengthen the QA. We studied that in quality maintenance, we try to reduce the defect. But for reduction of the defect, or say for understanding the actual scenario of the defects, we need historical data of defects. With good data and good data analysis, we can take countermeasures for any potential defects beforehand or before the actual equipment breakdown. So what are these data? This could be either data related to process or data related to product. In the data related to the process, we generally study the process parameters such as operating condition, standard setting process of the machines, and setting of the machines during detection of the defects. In the data related to the product, we study defects product-wise. We study defects according to the location of the defects. We study the magnitude and frequency of the defects and occurrence trends of the defects, if there is a particular trend of defect happening more often. There are many other pillars of TPM still waiting for you. But for now, thank you so much for listening to me so far. Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join My Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside My Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books, and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, Agile and Scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.